Welcome to Sometime 3. Today we're working with page 39. And today's lesson is called Decimals 5. Sometimes we'd like to add two decimals together. When we add two decimals together, it's important to line up all the decimal points in a vertical line when adding them. Vertical means one on top of the other. So, we write the numbers in a column with the decimal points under each other. So if we want to add 2.5, 3.2, 4.1, we do it like this. You see, all the decimal points are under each other. 5 and 2, 7 and 1, 8. 4 and 3, 7 and 2, 9. 9.8. Get it? It doesn't matter whether you start from the top or the bottom. The answer's always the same. But the decimal points have to be on top of each other. Now let's look at the next one, number 2. When we add, we always add each column starting from the right. So if, for example, we have 2.513 and 1.142 and 3.214, we start adding from the right. We first of all add 3 and 2 and 4. That makes 9. Then we add the next column, 1 and 4 and 1. That makes 6. Then we add the next column, 5 and 1 and 2. That makes 8. Then we put in the decimal point, and we add the whole numbers, 2 and 1 and 3. That makes 6. Get it? We work from right to left, and we don't forget the decimal point. Now that was fairly easy, because when you added the numbers together, they didn't come to more than 10. However, if the sum of a column comes to more than 10, you have to do something else. So let's look at number 3. If the sum of a column is 10 or more, we have to carry to the next column to the left. Look at this. 2.614 plus 1.342 plus 3.254. We start at the right, 4 and 2 and 4, that makes 10. So we write a 0 and we carry 1 to the next column to the left. Can you see it? So now let's add the next column together. 1 and 1 makes 2, and 4, 6, and 5, 11. We write down 1 and we carry 1, 1/10, to the next column. So now we have 6 plus 1, that's 7, plus 3, that's 10, plus 2, that's 12. We put the 2 down and we carry the 10 to the next column. We must be sure to add the decimal point exactly under the other decimal points. You see? So we now have decimal point 210. Now we have to find how many whole numbers we have. Well, we carried 1, you remember? So 2 and 1 makes 3, and 1 makes 4, and 3 makes 7. So now we have 7.210. When you add decimals, it's very important to line them up correctly.